So this morning I am fixing a little bit of Spam. Have you seen the little cans of Spam? Yeah, I'm just cooking this up. Gonna munch on that a little bit, and that'll be my breakfast this morning. So before I get up in my couch bed for the day with my leg propped up, I'm gonna make some carne asada. And I'm just following a recipe that I found on YouTube. I'll put the link down below. And never tried it, so I'm going to try it. Had some onions that I had previously chopped. These are in the freezer, so I added the roast, cubed up, some onion, and I'm going to add some Roma tomatoes. Tomatoes going in. So I made some chicken salad today. Deborah's working, so I just whipped up some chicken salad with some apple and pickle, mayonnaise, little ranch dressing mix, and salt, pepper, garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, and then, well, this has been cooking about 2 hours, I guess, 2.5 hours. This is my carne asada. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, I'm gonna let it cook for another hour or so, and then I'm gonna put it on low, and that's what's gonna be for dinner. But just gonna put this on crackers today for lunch, because we're gonna have a big supper later. Okay, I'm putting it on low. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, it's just gonna hang out for a little bit. It is Tuesday afternoon, and I was thinking, you know what? I don't even have a video for today. Here's another video about nothing. Because what am I doing? Sitting in my, I'm not my sick bed, my couch bed, just hanging out, letting my, if you watched my video yesterday, I went to the doctor, did not get my stitches out, and he wants the bandage off during the day as long as I'm inside, just hanging out, so it can get some air and heal and dry up a little bit, I guess is the point. And I wanted to mention something. I've been talking about first aid kits. So I have a new product that needs to go on the first aid kit. Let me put my glasses on. So the first day that I had the accident at the hospital, they put this on me and wrapped it up. But they didn't tell me. They sent me home with instructions on, just keep it wrapped. Well, if you don't know what to wrap it with, then you'll make the mistake I did. I just put some gauze down and then wrapped it. Well, the gauze stuck to the wound, and that was a ordeal to get it unstuck. So I was like, well, what did they put on me? So when I went back yesterday, well, let me step back again. So then I told y'all that I did have some more gauze pads, but it had the little plastic part, not plastic, I don't know, non-stick side to the gauze pad. And so I started using that, and of course that didn't stick as bad. At least didn't have fibers and stuff sticking. So yesterday when I went to the hospital to get my stitches out and didn't get my stitches out, she wrapped it up again, and this is what she put on it. And I said, what is that and why? And so it is called Adaptic. Makes a lot of sense, doesn't it? Adaptic. And all it is It's a little piece of, not fabric, I don't know what it's made out of, but has little bitty holes in it, but it does have some kind of something on it to prevent sticking. So they did give me several of these for the next several days, and you can get them from Walmart. So look at these, put these in your first aid kit if you so choose. But I will be adding some of these to my first aid kit, because yeah, I think it was like 45 minutes trying to get that stupid gauze not to adhere to my wound. So anyway, you know, we don't go to wound classes, go to first aid, but you know, when products are changing all the time. So I don't know how old this is, or this is, you know, whatever, but it's not self-explanatory. Adaptic. Go to your store today and buy Adaptic. It's like, that sounds like a DAP stick. Let's use DAP. I don't know. Anyway, I have just been in my couch bed. I have been working on this Spanish book. My Duolingo has me a little confused right now on some endings of the verbs and not making any sense. So I resorted to a book to see if I could figure it out so I can move forward. I moved forward, but I think it took me 17 minutes to do one little lesson yesterday, and I was like, I'm not getting this. I don't understand. Doing some reading still in this book, and I am working on meal plans. There's my carne asada recipe that I found on YouTube, and then working on some rotisserie chicken recipes. And actually these are taken from a YouTube channel called Dollar Tree Dinners. If y'all don't if y'all want some good cheap recipes, go over there and check out her channel. And I'm going to use one or two of her recipes for the rotisserie chicken dinners. And I've been journaling. This is my journal for this year. And I've been journaling. Just sitting here trying to keep myself busy. Watching some YouTube, doing some Facebook, doing some Instagram, repeat. But I was sitting here thinking, I don't have a video for today. So here it is. Here's your video for today. And I do have some clips from the other day of the puppy dogs. So I'm going to include those here. And I will see y'all in tomorrow's video. 90 degrees and she's laying out in the sun. Bandit's waiting on Mom. Bandit, are you waiting on Mom? Say yep.